Alright, welcome back Fast RC everybody, and welcome back to another edition of RC Weekly. So let's not waste any time and get right into it and start with Team Associated. They just announced today the RC10 Retro 80s kit, Retro 80s Ultra Champ kit. So if you're into RC10s, it's another version of the RC10, but this one is an RC10 that has been slightly like updated, but really brings back that 80s retro style, hence the name Retro 80s Ultra Champ. Price coming in at $349.99. It's a pretty interesting kit. One thing I'll say about this, I know we talk a lot about like RC10s on this channel and all the different models that come out. This one I think is kind of cool just because of that older style. They were really kind of like scale back then. It was like a really like scale basher, and that's kind of like my thing. I love scale bashers, and so this retro kit really brings back that scale buggy style. Even got the net on the drivers or the driver and passenger side windows. Just a great looking model. Anyways, coming at $349.99. It's available for pre-order, or will eventually be available for pre-order on Team Associated's website if you want to check it out. But that's it for them. Let's go ahead and get to the next update. And next up from Red Cat Racing, they're revamping the Accent 18 line of crawlers. So if you're into 18 scale crawlers, this one's for you guys. So basically what it sounds like, it's another version of this RTR, but with the high steering components and the power wagon type body. So we can check these out. They're going for $129.99. They got 4 colors, blue, pink, red, and light green. Actually really great looking bodies. Like I like how these look. But yeah, pretty interesting release from Red Cat. Looks nice. And we'll go ahead and get to the next update. All right, and next up from Arrma, it's not so much news, but this is more just a heads up for you guys that the Arrma Infraction 223s that we talked about a couple weeks ago is now available on Amain Hobbies for pre-order. And so if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and pre-order. It looks like it's going to come out on April 15th, so about like 6 days from now. But the main reason why I'm telling you is because it is not coupon code restricted. So if you want to go there, if you're interested in picking this guy up, you can actually get $30 off of it using the coupon codes for April. I'll make sure those coupon codes are pasted down in the comments. You might be able to even find some slightly better coupon codes. I have to go take a look. I'll see if I could find anything better. If I do, I'll go ahead and pin it down in the description for you guys. But nonetheless, it's not coupon code restricted, so you don't have to pay the full $450 price. Anyways, thought you guys should know about that. Let's go ahead and get to the next update. All right, and from Jconcepts, we got a few new items we need to talk about. So first up, not so much a new item, but one we talked about before, but the Jconcepts Reactor Stage 2 Monster Truck kits are now available on Amain Hobbies. They came available a few days ago, and there's 2 kits. There's the shorter wheelbase, which is 10 and 3/4 inch wheelbase for $537, and then there is the longer wheelbase at 13 inches for $564 for that kit. Said it before, but I'll say it again. Great looking kits. These are really, really interesting. And really bring that scale monster truck vibe. It's nice to see. And then a couple other products from Jconcepts this week. They got a new body they're releasing for 12.3 inch wheelbase crawlers, which is the 2003 Chevy K5 Blazer, which is kind of interesting. I haven't seen that year of a K5. Usually it's a lot older ones. But this one's kind of unique because it's meant for your 2-wheel drive setup for any of your SCX 10.3s that have the twin I-beam setup for the Baja type running. This body looks like it's meant for that, which is pretty cool to see. And then there's one other set of tires they're releasing. It's going to be the 1.9 inch Rock Scorpions. So some new stuff there from Jconcepts. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and then we'll go ahead and get to the next update. Alright guys, real quick PSA, just wanted to ask if you don't mind if you'd go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're getting any value out of Fast RC or RC Weekly. I'd really appreciate it. Trying to make a push towards 5,000 subs by maybe sometime this time next year, maybe, we'll see. Anyways, I really appreciate each and every one of you that watches every week and comments and does all that stuff. I really, really appreciate it. Love chatting with you guys in there. So if you could, just double check, make sure you're subscribed. I would appreciate it. And shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you guys too. Always love chatting with you in the pre-comment section on Thursday nights. That's always fun. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the sales. Right, let's save some cash. So first up, we're going to stop at Team Associated because they still got the limited Hoonigan sale going on. The same sale that I made a video on Saturday. So almost a week ago, gosh, still going. Although I did get an email today saying that there's limited stock on this guy. Like it's getting close. Like I guess some of these are starting to run out of stock. So you still got time, but it's probably limited. Anyways, we'll go ahead and click on it. Let's take a look. And so 43 pieces only, no restock. The big sale here that I talked about over the weekend is this buy one, get one. Huge sale, guys. Like for these models, you don't see them this low a price. Long story short, The best one here, if you buy the 110 scale Unicorn kit, right here, this is the factory team kit, so no electronics, but comes with all the factory team upgrades, aluminum shocks, sway bars, and a whole host of other stuff like different gearing. Really, really nice kit. If you buy that kit, it's $299 from this Team Associated website. They'll throw in the Huna truck kit, which is the exact same kit, just with the truck body, for free. So, man, I don't know how you beat that. Here it is in the shopping cart. Unicorn kit, $299, $0 for the Huna truck kit. It's legit. I know some people in the comments on my video over the weekend mentioned that in some states there's no tax. And then other places, there might be tax. I'm not sure actually how all that works, but what I can tell you is it's free shipping. So, man, hell of a deal. Looking at the price tracker dashboard, you can see these things really like hardly ever go on sale. At the rock bottom is $220 a kit. But someone did the math in the comments, so I appreciate you doing that. It comes out to, with tax, $163. That includes tax if you're paying it. Which is wild. Like, that's like absolute rock bottom price. Insane. So it looks like it's still available. So if you're interested, go ahead and snap it up. If you're, if you're interested in this kit, now's the time to do it, basically. Anyways, let's go back. So those are the factory team kits. So no electronics, loaded up with all the extra aluminum parts. If you're interested in the RTRs, those are available too. We have the Unicorn RTR kit, or it's not a kit, but it's RTR. If you buy one of these, you get the Unicorn 14R, which is the smaller version, kind of like a father-son combo, for free. And on that one, same thing, it's $299 for the RTR. And then I want to say the 14R, actually, if we just open it up here real quick, take a look. The RTR, actually, that's the wrong one. So this one right here usually runs about 170 bucks. Rock bottom price, $120 for the 14 scale. So still a good sale, like still saving, anywhere from 120 to 170, which is not bad. And then same thing applies for the Unicorn truck RTR. Here, you can get the Unicorn truck or the Huna truck free 14R, which is great. And then the last one here is if you're interested in the SR7 roller, so the Unicorn car, but the 1/7 scale, you can pick that up for $299. And then it looks like they actually just added this one, which is the SR7 almost ready to run. Actually don't know what this is. So you're seeing it with me here for the first time. So this one's going for $325. I don't know. Somebody let me know. I actually haven't looked this one up. So I'm sorry guys. I'm like looking at this one live with you. Interesting. I don't know what it means. I mean, I thought the roller was like almost ready to run too. Maybe unless I don't think this comes with like electronics, but anyways, the almost ready to run version is also on there for $325. Man, you know what? Hold on a second. Let's take a look at the dashboard again. Sorry, I don't mean to spend so much time on this, but I do have the SR7. So this is the SR7 roller right here, on-road roller. And then here's the almost ready to run right here, which, wow, like never goes on sale. That thing is $490. Pretty solid all the time. So at $325, I mean, that's like rock bottom price. Last time it went on sale was in September 1st or August, end of August, early September for $350. Otherwise, this thing is like never on sale. Interesting. I don't know what's the deal with this thing. This is fully assembled, almost ready to run out of the box. See items needed to complete extra parts. Okay. Interesting. All right. Anyways, let's not spend no more time on it. Pretty good sale over at Team Associated. I'll make sure it's all linked down. Oh, okay. This one's refurbished. No ESC included. Never run. Okay. Oh, well, that explains it. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the next sales for Traxxas. We're spending too much time. First, we're going to start off with the Mini Slash. So Mini Slash has been on sale now for a few weeks. It's basically take that back. It's like $70 off if you buy the individual model, so that's $220. Really good sale. It's actually rock bottom price, the lowest price we've seen it so far. Or if you buy two of them, you get $180 off, so kind of like a $400 for two of them basically. So that sale's been going on for a little while now. The new Earth sale we talked about last week, the Mini Rally VXL Ford RS200, $50 disc, or yeah, $40 discount down to $389.95, but they also throw in $50 set of wheels and tires on top of that. And we did test it. If you put this in the cart, they do add the free tires for you, which is kind of cool to see. And then they got the power pack savings, so 8S power pack, 6S, and 4S. And then for the first time ever in RC Weekly history, the Traxxasite, the BL2S battery power combo is no longer here. Interesting. They probably sold out on most of these, or I don't know. But anyways, that sale's been running for like well over a year, and now it's finally gone. I think part of what was anchoring that is the Bigfoot 4x4 BL2S is now like out of stock. So maybe when they got rid of that, when that one sold out, then the whole sale went with it. Anyways, that's gonna be pretty much it for the sales, guys. At Horizon Hobbies and Towers, there's really not much going on this week, but hopefully we'll see maybe over this next week they'll have some new sales that pop up. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the scratch and dent. Right, welcome to what used to be my favorite section, scratch and dent. So this week, we got some kind of new ones. So we got a new Red Cat Vertex 6. This is the orange version, which is pretty new. Already on scratch and dent for $7.99. That's basically full price. The big thing here though is just watch it week to week. It might discount in price a little bit. And then we got a new, speaking of unicorn, we got the SR7 on here, Road Roller. We just talked about it. You can get this thing for $2.99 on Team Associated websites, so that's not the best deal. And then that's pretty much it. They got a Cubit here, Maverick. This is $88 if you click on it. There's really not too much, but it's temporarily available online, which is interesting. Anyways, there's really not too much going this week. Oh, take that back. There is, wait, hold on a second. It's giving me the wrong stuff here, guys. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. There's not too much else to report, but you can see what's on the screen. Anyways, top over to Tower Hobbies, which, you know, surprise, surprise, there's not too much going on. These few years have been sitting there for a little while. But what I did notice is that there's a lot more boats popping up, especially with summertime coming. So if you're interested in any of these boats that they got for sale, they look like pretty good deals. Although I'll say I don't know a lot about RC boats, but check them out. So anyways, that's going to be it for Scratching It, guys. Hope you guys got something out of this episode. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.